So today was day 9, active restoration. And this morning I spent some time with a client and we practiced our rewilding natural movement practice outdoors by the beach. That was a glorious time. I really enjoyed it. In the afternoon, I took my wife forest bathing and we enjoyed a lovely stroll around the forest of Pacific Spirit. These active restoration days are ones that I really love. I think they're very clever and it's a great part of a fitness program that was a bit unexpected, but I'm glad they're there. I'm in the car park of our condo because tomorrow I was trying to find a place to complete the challenge, and I have it here actually. If you want to see tomorrow's session, check in. But while I was coming down here to find a place that I thought might work for tomorrow's challenge, it wasn't lost on me that the confines of this place, with its concrete and shade and manicured environment, would be vastly dissimilar to the place where I would do this challenge outdoors. And I know we don't train in car parks, but a gym with its 4 corners and 4 walls and synthetic equipment is very similar to a car park, as sparse as this looks. There is something quite unique and special and necessary about training outdoors. When I say training outdoors, I mean just going outdoors for a walk, for a hike, for a picnic, or in my case, for a Spartan challenge or for rewilding practices. There is something singularly unique about exercising outdoors. And I experienced that yesterday, in yesterday's session. I had a profound feeling of aliveness that I think is only made possible because of the space that I was in and potentially because of the activities that I was doing. We'll see tomorrow if the aliveness lives in this space. I'm guessing it might not, but it might. But anyway, I enjoyed my active restoration day. I thought it was fantastic, and I enjoyed spending time with the people that I love and care about, clients and family. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.